Hey guys, we're on another junkyard adventure. Mrs. PIB and myself. It's a warm day today. Warm day today. What do you think about this day? Perfect, huh? Perfect. Seeing what we can find. I've already been here before, but I'm trying to... Hey, let's look at this little Ranger over here real quick. Not that I actually need anything, but it's one of them days that I'm a... Yeah, golly. That is how much rain we have had. This whole area of East Tennessee has been... Golly, we don't need any more rain. We don't. I wish some of this rain would go to people that actually need it, but we've had way over in abundance.
The famous consoles that won't...
That's what I was looking for, the console lid. Nope. Okay. Boy, that tailgate's been hit, ain't it? From the inside out, looks like.
Yeah.
Maybe when somebody threw that beer bottle back in the back real hard, it... I don't know. I just made that part up. Land Rovers. I don't know how anybody affords them, but good for them. Boy, that is deep. Look at that. They used to have cars lined up and down through there, but I guess not now. An old Ford truck. I'm just going to run down here real quick and see if I can find some armrests that might be a little kind of decent. We'll look and see what we can run into. Gosh, you don't see them little chrome steelies much on that little PT Cruiser. That's kind of unusual, isn't it? There was.
Because it's all clear path.
Yeah, it is all clear path. Kind of nice to be able to see where you're walking. It's one of them days I'm afraid to... It's time for snakes to start moving around and... Yeah, wasps. They ain't got started yet, but there's a lot of insects flying around already. Oh my goodness. Look at that mess. I wonder if we can... We'll go up through this way maybe. Now why did you do that? Why did you do that to me? Every time I mention snake. Well, if y'all can't hear me good, it's because my heart is up to my throat. Yeah, you're real funny. Okay, let's see what else we can...
I should have videoed your face.
I'm glad you didn't video me. I'm supposed to be a real man, but dang. Hey, let's go up here and look at this little... No, that's not worth looking at. I was going to look at that Pontiac, but it's too far gone. Let's stick to the subject. C10. That's a... Well, I wonder if we went up and... I don't know, let's see. What a mess. It's been days ago since we've had rain, probably three or 4 days now that we've been without rain, and as you can hear the wind's blowing, but still, I mean, we just got swamped with rain. Watch where you put your feet. Let's see, there was a C10 around here to the right somewhere. To the right. Get it. Huh? Right? Right? Somewhere there was one, but I don't... Every time since I've said snake, everything looks snaky. Oh, snaky to me. Let's see. There it is. Yep. See if we can find here. Hey. Yeah. Wonder how you get that. Let me look for armrests real quick. Wait, oh gosh, I just about hit my head on that mirror. Nope. Missing. Okay, guys, hang on for just a minute. Might have to come back to that truck. Yeah, I think the grass is really starting to take off. Need to be mowed soon. Not our yard anyway. I keep getting stuck in ours, so let's see if we can figure out where we were at. Yeah, I'll pause this. Okay guys, we spied that truck. It's up here now. So, okay. Got to be careful where you step or you'll step right into a big old dang puddle. Get your shoes and socks all wet. Little Pontiac there. Might wind up making a video of that little Pontiac Le Mans or whatever Tempest anyway, since I'm going up here. Let's see. The higher the better, huh? A lot drier up here on top of the hill. You can see pretty good too. Okay. Don't have no armrests, huh?
Nope.
Bumper's gone. Yep. Hood's still on. I think I guess I'll pass on this hood. It wouldn't dent it up like that. What? Oh, don't worry about it. This one's best. It's okay. I don't know. We'll see.
You like?
Yeah, it's okay, but I need one in the front.
Oh.
Let's see. I don't see no armrest here either. No, there's not anything here. I guess we'll go check back and see what we can come up with now. Okay, let's go back down and see what we got. Boy, it's muddy here too. And there ain't no need to look at that Pontiac. I will look at this little old Jeep Wagon here since I'm right here at it. You don't see these too much, and people are really buying these things. These are worth a lot of money now. Golly, look at that fire ant hill. Big old wasp nest in the center where the radio was. Hey, you didn't see a fan shroud, did you? I didn't. This would be a great parts vehicle. Got a place, I guess, might have had a engine warmer or something for, I don't know what was in this thing. It's got the luggage rack, pretty neat. Some people's into these. I like them too, but they're just too high dollar and you can't find parts. Okay, we'll go down here at the shop and see what we can get into. See you in a bit. Guess while I'm here, I'll do this Le Mans, Pontiac Le Mans. Still has an engine in it. I'm assuming it's for 350. Don't see these every day. It's kind of like the one like a Big Chief on Street Outlaws drives. Of course, I believe his was a Le Mans too, and he's changed it into, what is it, Judge or GTO or something. But I think I've seen earlier pictures and his had the front end of a Le Mans on it. Which don't matter, it's fine. Whatever you want to do, it's your car. Not too much left of this old girl. Seen better days. Roof is completely crunched. Get this thing out of the way, you might could see the bumper. Yeah, it's all toast. Okay. Well, let's go down here and see what we got. I'll see y'all in a little.